Nothing has so far launched only one product, which are its True Wireless Earbuds. And no matter if you are following Nothing on social media or not, you might still have heard or read about the Nothing Phone 1. That is because the hype is real. Those who have followed OnePlus over the years are familiar with the Carl Pei's marketing tricks. Recently, the company gave us a small hint at the design of the phone, where we could see a small portion of the top half of the phone. Today, however, Nothing went all out and revealed the design of Nothing Phone 1 from the back. So yes, this is how the Nothing Phone 1 looks like, and as you can see, this definitely does not look like any other phone in the market. On its official website, Nothing says that the phone has a transparent design and the phone is made with consciously chosen materials. We have seen phones with transparent designs earlier, but this phone is simply different because even though the back is transparent, you cannot spot any component underneath. It is like there is an extra layer between the back panel and the components underneath it, so as to make the back look unique. Nothing Phone 1 has a dual camera setup, so we are expecting a wide and an ultra wide lens. It is already known that the phone has wireless charging, and this official image reconfirms the same. There is no alert slider on this phone, so all that you get is a power button on the right side and volume rockers on the left. And well, that is pretty much it. In terms of specifications, not a lot is known, but speaking of the stuff that has leaked already, a tweet by TechDroider claims that the phone has a 6.55-inch flat OLED panel with a Full HD Plus resolution and no bottom chin. It is also said that the phone has support for 45-watt fast charging. Well, you may like the design or not, but the thing is, smartphone designs are boring right now, so it is good to see a company bringing something new to the market. There is still a month left for the launch, so we will hopefully get to know more things about the Nothing Phone 1. Or maybe the company itself will reveal more stuff in the coming days. What do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.